Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to unlock the modem on this Sony P. This is a P80. It's got the same modem as the P91, the same modem as the P90. So if you're getting error code 52, which all of you should be, this is how we do it and how we totally unlock the modem. Okay. What we first want to do is install the new Connect software. This is version 3 Connect. You'll get that in the zip file, and you'll get the link for the download for that. Should be in the same email that you got this video. Okay, so you'll get that software. Install that new Connect software 3. Make sure you uninstall any previous versions if there are any installed. Uninstall any previous versions. Connect 2. I didn't test it. We've only tested this with Connect version 3, so we're recommending that you install version 3. Why not get the latest version anyway? Okay, now this is the procedure. Okay, install the software. Now what you want to do is plug it into an AC adapter. Of course you have to have your battery plugged in to get the WAN to come up at all. So what you want to do is plug in your AC adapter. Okay, so keep that plugged in. Now open the computer and have it at about this angle so you can easily slot out the battery. Should be able to do this with one hand. So click the release, have it unlocked of course, click the release, and don't shut the computer completely because it'll go into standby. You don't want that. So hold it with about, I guess that's about 4 or 5 degrees open in that hand. Click the release and with the other fingers pull down the battery and take out the battery. Okay. Now get your SIM card that you're going to use. This one's a Vodafone. Well, in Japan now it's called SoftBank anyway, but it's not a Docomo. So this one was originally locked to Docomo. The important thing is not to use a Docomo one. Not that you're likely to have a Docomo one, but anyway, put in something other than Docomo, which is 99% of the other cards out there. Shove it in. Okay, and put the battery back on, of course, and then I'll click through. Now the modem will come up into. It should automatically turn on. Okay. Alright, so the modem will come up. Now what you want to check, I haven't launched anything here yet. What you want to check, I'll zoom in on it. So what you want to check is that both green lights are on. You can see there the green light for the GPS and the green light for the WAN. They're on. Okay. You also need to be connected to the internet, of course, to use DC Unlocker. So you use your wireless LAN or your dongle LAN cable. And you'll need to have a username and password, and it's going to cost you 15 euros. Payment through PayPal, Moneybook, or something like that. Now, the only difference between what I'm doing and what you're doing is I'm using a dongle to do the unlock. Okay, because that's where you unlock a lot of modems, so we've actually got a dongle here, a USB dongle, so I won't be logging into DC Unlocker like you will have to log into DC Unlocker software. More on that later anyway. Okay, so what we want to do is close the Globetrotter software. It'll be running in the background, so press on your keyboard, press the Control, Alt and Delete keys all at the same time. Control, Alt, Delete keys pressed all three at the same time and you'll come up with this screen here. What you want to go to is the Task Manager. Okay, it'll bring up the Task Manager here. Now what we want to do, on the Task Manager is you've got to look for the Globetrotter software. So scan down the list and look for the Globetrotter software. You can sort it alphabetically by clicking on the name. Okay, so looking for the Globetrotter software. When you find that, just hit End Task. Okay, End Task, and you'll end it. Okay, so now we've killed the Globetrotter software in Task Manager. Okay, we don't need Task Manager anymore. We can close that off. And then what you want to do now is we want to run DC Unlocker. Remember, the SIM card is still in there, so we're going to get an error from DC Unlocker. But that is actually good. Okay, so we're going to run DC Unlocker, choose the modem option, scan for it, and it'll come up, it'll say it's locked. Alright, and then go to unlocking. Over on the right side, go to unlocking, unlock the modem, and you'll come up with an error. Error code 39 locker boarded need to remove SIM. That's very good. That's not bad, that's good. Okay, now what we'll do is take out the battery and take out the SIM card and put the battery back in. So again, close the computer to about 5 degrees, release, pull out the battery, don't close the computer, remove the SIM card and put the battery back in. Alright, so the battery's back in, and at this stage what we'll do now is run the DC Unlocker software again. So don't close the DC Unlocker program, now just hit unlock again. Okay, unlocking. And the first time you do that, don't be surprised, you're going to get error code 52. That again, that's a good thing, don't worry about that. After you get error code 52, just unlock it again. One more time. Click the unlock and you'll get error code nothing. No error codes. This time it will be successfully unlocked. Okay, and then you can go enable all bands and you'll be able to use the modem with any SIM anywhere in the world. Simple as that.